Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Agrawal and I am from Adi Durga Steel. So today we'll be speaking about what is the structure guarantee and how a company can provide 20 years of structure guarantee. So in order to understand how one can provide, we need to understand certain points resulting into the structure stability and the quality of the building which can be guaranteed for 20 years. One of the most important point and the very first point is designing. So what are the points we should consider for designing? For designing, the strength should be considered, wind speed, load, quality of the material used, the nut bolts, screws, fasteners, etc. etc. Considering all these things, the designing should be done. And if the designing is done as per these, we need to make sure we need to provide the same material what is we are designing for. The next point is what kind of material we use, the quality of the material, whether it's branded like SAIL, Tata, Jindal and a TC material or something else. The third point comes to the nut bolts and the screws which are used in the project, whether the grade, the strength are equivalent to what we have designed for or it's not. Also, when we are using the screws for sheeting, whether these screws are provided with a washer or without washer. These things also matters in a building. The next point is what kind of consumable you are using for fabrication. The quality of consumable is good enough. The welding coil have the required density and thickness. The electrode is pores free. Are the flux used is required as per the coils or something else? As we have understood about the quality of consumables what we are using for fabrication, we also need to understand what kind of machining processes and we are using for the same. Are we using cutting with the help of CNC machine, or are we using SAW welding or something else? Even these things matters. Even after using HR material of branded quality and grade, it is of very much importance what paint material we are using. If the paint material, the brand is not good enough, it will not provide rust-free building for a very long term. So in that, Berger, Asian Paints, these are much renowned brands. Till now we have covered 5 points, namely designing, quality of HR material used, nut bolts and screws, consumable materials and paint material. Now all these things are required of equal importance when it comes to fabrication of required materials. Next comes the erection part. So when you are doing the erection of the building, what are the key important points which should be considered in order for us to provide a guaranteed building for a very long term? Coming to erection, it's not only important that good quality of material should be provided, it is also of very much importance that the quality of erection is as good as the kind of material you have provided. If the erection quality is not good enough, then even the best material provided cannot be guaranteeing you for a longer stability of your building. Important points considering the erection of a building. First is the machines and tools what we are using to erect the building. Are we using the required tools to provide required tightening of bolts? Are we using the required machines to provide the required screw drilling inside the sheet? Alignment of the building is equally important, whether we are using the correct alignment method and the procedure which we need to be followed or we are using something else. Also, are we using required safety materials at site for the team such as PP, double harness loop, ceiling, lifeline, etc. Because team is also very important. They are the persons who are doing the erection of the building. Next is the inspection protocols and the methodology what we use. So the inspection is done as per the required things at different stages where it is required, and the points which we are considering for inspection, are they required enough or we need to understand something else in this. Next is the quality of material, the accessories and the different kind of materials which are used in the building, such as skylight, turbo vent, silicone, etc., etc. All these material also varies in a very vast manner, whether the thickness of the material is desired, whether it has the required strength, whether the material used in the manufacturing of the same is equivalent to what we are thinking, which will be providing you a long-term guaranteed building or not. In total, we have covered 9 points today, which are of required importance and which defines the quality of the building and the project. We provide 20 years of structure guarantee and stability with certificate. We are Adi Durga Steel and I'm Aditya Agrawal signing off. Thank you.